Changing the cleaning times. Press the user menu icon in the display. Press the settings icon. Press Operator Mode. Enter the PIN code. Select Cleaning Schedule. Switch on Cleaning Regime Enabled. Select the days on which the machine needs to be cleaned or flushed in the table. On these days the cleaning symbol appears in the display. When you select Cleaning Compulsory, the delivery of drinks will be blocked if the machine is not cleaned within 24 hours after the cleaning symbol appeared in the display. We recommend cleaning the machine at least once a week from a food hygiene perspective, and to check and clean exterior and drip tray on a daily basis. However, if the machine delivers coffee only, without cold drinks, you can optionally switch off the cleaning program. Cleaning regime enabled. Thank you for your attention.